Alright, dalawa yung bagong labuksan natin from Lazada. Ito yung mga pinagpalutan nila, right? So, first one was this one. Egg white powder. Okay. Bakit ako nag-order nito? Kasi one of the recipes I encountered requires this one. Alright? Siyempre, ang hinahanap natin keto. Unprocessed. And unprocessed nga to. This is actually egg white protein powder. Nakalagay egg white powder. So, dumating sa akin in great condition. At mamaya ko pa siguro, tomorrow ko pa susubukan sa pagluluto ito. Okay. Why didn't anybody recommend this when my father was still in the ICU? I don't know why. Next up. Eto. Okay. Charging cable. Cold charging cable at saka papalitan yung outlet. Okay. Here's the other one. From micro to type C. Okay. Very convenient to pag nag-travel ka. I'm gonna put one of these in my gadget bag. So, pag nasa labas kami, this will really come in handy. So, again, yung seller nito, pinadala sa akin in good condition. Okay. And, before I forget, nagamit ko na to kanina lang kasi nag-charge ko ang phone kong to. And, I tell you guys, it's really fast. Okay? It only took me 2 hours, 2 oras. Okay? Fully charged na ito. So, delivery and promptness. Ako masabi, I almost forgot to order this one nung Sunday. Naalala ko lang na orderin nito kahapon lang. So, buti na lang. Within 48 hours, it's in my hands already. Very prompt pa rin ang Lazada. Eto naman, I ordered these 2 items at the same time. Okay. Pero pa rin, 48 hours, nasa akin na rin yung item. So, the usual speed for Lazada. Another day at the office for them. I never thought I would be getting this one right now. Sabi ko, nako, bakit hindi ko magawa yung birthday cake ni Mami? Pero I'll start prepping for it tonight, and tomorrow night gagawin na natin using this. So abangan nyo yung video ko nun. So ano ang final verdict natin for egg white powder and this one? My hands are free, guys. 2 thumbs up. Of course, if you want to try these products out yourselves, links in the pinned comment.